What I got here is a Duncan Miller Model 50 from the mid to early 50s. Uses a penny, nickel, and dime. I believe a dime is 2 hours, a nickel is 1 hour, and a penny gives you 12 minutes. This is the original lock, which I picked. And the way I picked it was, let me just turn this around, holding these like this, like that, applying a little tension this way, and it has 8 wafers, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Some people tend to use the rake method, back and forth inside there. They get lucky. I preferred to use a one pick, and I can actually feel each wafer. You just put a little tension on the unit there with this device here, little tension, and you just pick each wafer until it hits the wall, and you go underneath. You keep doing it, and hopefully you get lucky and it's picked. It came with an original box. Oh, just let you know that this was actually locked, and also this one was locked. It's a 2-hour meter, and I will demonstrate what a penny gives you. So you put the penny here, and it gives you actually 12 minutes, which is good. Gives you 12 minutes, which is exactly what it says that it gives you, is 12 minutes. So what else? Oh yes, this penny was actually found inside, which is kind of really cool. That's backwards, duh. 1959, so it's been in there a long time. American penny. I'll show you what the wafers look like, so if curiosity, that's how the wafers are. There's 8 of them, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. There are also little springs in there. I don't know if you can see any of the springs, but little springs in there. I guess it creates that tension. And so that's about it. Oh, I'll just show you this here in the front. Little sign there. Red flag, violation indication, instructions. You know, put the coin in, correct slot, da 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 da. Some warning stuff about tampering with it. And turn the back side again, just one more time so you can take a look at the back side. I'll show you the door. There's your how many minutes you get per coin that you use. Little sign there that talks about parking hours, and on Sundays it's free. Actually, it has a number there. I believe it's 279. And this is the back side. This was soldered on actually, so I had to use a file and just file her down and pull the wafers out. So that's it. I hope you liked the video.